So $500 billion is an enormous amount of money for the company. Nvidia signed a deal for a $500 billion financial project with 6 financial institutions aimed at essentially allowing its customers to access scarce capital at large scale and build AI data centers that will help power models like Anthropic's Claude and OpenAI's ChatGPT. For Nvidia, $500 billion is a large amount of money, but to put it in a little bit of context, the company is expected to generate roughly $320 billion in its data center segment for all of its fiscal 2027. Nvidia's agreement to have the option to backstop up to $125 billion of the $500 billion, or roughly 25% of each deal. In plain language, Nvidia is helping finance the purchase of its own products. There are concerns about circular financing, that Nvidia is financially aiding its customers to buy its own products. Jensen Huang, Nvidia's CEO, addressed this question directly on X yesterday. He said that specifically, this $500 billion initiative is designed to address the concern. And he said that they're bringing independent, long-term institutional capital to the infrastructure market. Wang also said the demand is real. It comes from AI labs like Anthropic and OpenAI, AI startups, big companies, cloud computing companies, and countries that are all building AI services. The capital providers, he says, independently underwrite each project, and Nvidia essentially provides the platform. So this $500 billion is a memorandum of understanding, meaning it's an agreement to potentially do some work in the future. So when Nvidia or its customers announce deals to investors, and others will want to pay attention closely to what those deals are, how much money they're for, what the terms are, and so on.